Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best buffer polisher for car that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Chemical Guy's Random Orbital Polisher. The Chemical Guy's BUF 209X Torquex Random Orbital Polisher Complete Detailing Kit offers a smooth way to bring back the shine to any vehicle surface. This corded electric tool is designed with a durable metal build and a compact shape that fits comfortably in hand. The 8mm orbital throw works gently on paint while helping to remove visible marks, swirls, and light scratches. Its design supports even product application, giving a clean and uniform finish on cars, trucks, sport utility vehicles, and other painted surfaces. This kit comes with a variety of pads suitable for different stages of the detailing process. Each pad is designed to handle specific polishing needs, from correcting deeper imperfections to adding a final glossy layer. The included pad cleaner and conditioner help keep the pads in top condition, making them reusable and effective over time. This allows for consistent performance while saving both time and cost. Microfiber towels in the kit add a final touch to the process. Their soft and thick texture ensures that the polished surface stays free from streaks, haze, or scratches during the buffing stage. These towels work well for wiping away excess product without leaving residue. The Chemical Guy's Torquex system is designed to give users control while working on single-stage paint, clear coat finishes, polished metal, glass, or clear plastics. Its ballast power of 700 watt ensures steady performance, making it a reliable choice for regular vehicle care and restoration. In our list, the number 2 product name is Meguiar's MT300 Variable Speed Polisher. The Meguiar's MT300 Variable Speed Dual Action Polisher is built for smooth and consistent performance during vehicle detailing. Its balanced design helps provide steady movement across painted surfaces, reducing the risk of uneven results. The carefully crafted handle shape allows for secure grip and improved control, making it easier to guide the tool without strain. This polisher works effectively for tasks such as removing light scratches, eliminating swirl marks, and restoring a glossy appearance to paint. Digital torque management technology helps maintain a steady speed even when working under pressure, supporting a more uniform finish on various surfaces. The system adjusts power output automatically, allowing the machine to perform consistently from start to end. Its soft start feature ensures a gradual buildup of motion when switching on, helping to avoid sudden movements and protecting the motor from unnecessary strain. The Meguiar's MT300 is compatible with multiple backing plate sizes, allowing the use of different disc diameters for a variety of detailing requirements. This flexibility means it can be used for both large panels and smaller, more precise areas. The counterweight system inside the tool improves stability, minimizing vibration for a smoother experience and helping to extend its working life. Whether working on paint correction, polishing, or applying wax, this polisher delivers reliable results that enhance the appearance of the surface. It is suitable for enthusiasts who maintain their own vehicles, as well as those who want a dependable tool for professional-grade detailing in a home garage. In our list, the number 3 product name is SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher. The SPTA Cordless Mini Car Polisher is a lightweight and compact tool designed for polishing, sanding, and cleaning with precision. It is battery-powered, allowing work to be done anywhere without depending on an electric outlet. This portable design makes it suitable for reaching tight areas such as emblems, body lines, and other detailed sections of a vehicle. The free-spinning dual action motion ensures a smooth finish while minimizing the risk of marks or holograms on painted surfaces. Its small size makes it easier to maneuver, reducing fatigue during long polishing sessions. The cordless design, paired with a high-performance battery, provides sufficient working time for completing tasks on a standard-size vehicle. The variable speed control offers flexibility to adjust between gentle polishing and stronger cutting actions depending on the requirement. The ergonomic shape and comfortable grip allow for better handling, even during continuous use. This polisher is also versatile, supporting multiple attachments for different tasks such as waxing, paint correction, and surface cleaning. The durable materials used in its construction ensure long-term reliability, while the included interchangeable batteries keep work going without interruption. The compact backing plate makes it suitable for intricate detailing where larger machines cannot reach. The SPTA cordless mini car polisher is an effective tool for achieving a professional finish, maintaining the shine of vehicle paintwork and enhancing its overall appearance. Its mobility, lightweight body, and efficient performance make it a valuable addition for anyone wanting precision in car care. In our list, the number 4 product name is WORKPRO Buffer Car Polisher. The WORKPRO Buffer Polisher is a durable and efficient tool built for polishing, sanding, waxing, and restoring a variety of surfaces. Its strong build and steady performance make it suitable for demanding applications where consistent results are needed. The corded electric design ensures continuous operation without the need for recharging, allowing long sessions without interruption. Its carefully balanced body and detachable handle provide better grip and control, reducing strain during extended use. The variable speed capability makes it adaptable for working on different surfaces, whether it is harder materials requiring more power or softer finishes needing a gentle touch. The spindle lock allows for quick accessory changes, making it convenient to switch between polishing pads and other attachments. The set includes multiple pads suitable for different tasks, such as applying wax, removing oxidation, and giving a smooth shine to paintwork. This makes it practical for vehicle detailing, home appliance maintenance, and even furniture care. With proper use, it can help restore color depth, enhance surface gloss, and maintain a polished finish over time. Its powerful motor ensures smooth operation while the sturdy construction increases durability. The design focuses on user comfort while delivering high performance for both professional and personal use. From adding brightness to glass to preparing surfaces for protective coatings, this buffer polisher provides versatility for a wide range of detailing and maintenance jobs. This makes it a reliable choice for anyone seeking precision and quality in polishing work. In our list, the number 5 product name is WEN 6-inch Waxer Buffer Car Polisher. The WEN 6010 6-inch Waxer Polisher is a compact and efficient tool designed to provide a smooth and reflective finish on various surfaces. Its balanced design allows comfortable control with either one or two hands, making it easy to maneuver during long polishing sessions. The random orbital motion helps deliver a streak-free shine, which is ideal for enhancing the look of vehicles and restoring surface brightness. This tool is suitable for more than just automotive care, as it can be used in the home, workshop, or garage for polishing furniture, fixtures, and other surfaces that require a clean and glossy appearance. The included applicator and terry cloth bonnets make it ready for use on different materials, whether applying wax, removing stains, or restoring luster. WEN has been producing high-quality power tools since 1951, pioneering technologies such as random orbital motion to improve polishing performance. The brand's long history in developing reliable equipment ensures dependable results for both professionals and hobbyists. Over the decades, WEN has expanded into a wide range of tools including woodworking machines, generators, garden equipment, and cordless systems, maintaining a focus on functionality and durability. The 6-inch Waxer Polisher continues that tradition by